Hello everyone, welcome to another session on AutoCAD. In this session, I will be explaining few function keys. Let us see F7, which is turning on and off of the grid. A graph-like structure, you can turn it on and also you can turn it off if it is not necessary. You can see that status on command window at the bottom of the screen. Coming to the drawing commands, let me draw a line with some particular dimension. To make a straight line, I will be using ortho mode. Press F8 so that ortho mode will turn on. You can draw a straight line. If you want, you can draw it in horizontal or you can draw in a vertical direction as per your required dimension. Here I am drawing a line which is 300 by 500 dimension, so that it makes a rectangle. Let us see some of the drawing commands under lines. As of now, I will be using construction line. You can use either command or you can use shortcut like Excel Enter. First click a point and click second point so that it will draw an infinite line. Again, for drawing a construction line, use Excel Enter. Click a first point and click second point, or either in horizontal direction or in vertical direction. Construction line is an infinite line. On either side, you cannot have any start point or end point. Similar way, one more line called ray. A ray line is also an infinite line where I will be having only start point. You can create multiple lines by turning off ortho mode so that you can place at any particular angle. As I said, it has only starting point but no end points. These lines we can use for any reference part. You can create a ray line by using command like ray enter. You have to type ray. Next command is a polyline. We can draw polyline by using two ways. One is by using a ribbon tab, another by using a shortcut key PL enter. As a default, it will start drawing line. You can draw a line with a desired dimension, and in this command you can do two things at a time. One is drawing a line and another one is drawing a arc. Both combines together, it forms a polyline, and this is a single entity. You can draw both line as well as arc. By default, it will continue as a drawing arc by entering a enter, unless and until you change that command to line L enter. So you have to take care whether you are drawing a line or drawing a arc. To change from line to arc, type A enter, or from arc to line you can type L enter, vice versa.